everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to add logo in Snapseed using your mobile device. Adding a logo to your image in Snapseed can be done using the text tool. So, let's get started. Open the Snapseed application. Tap on the plus button in the middle of the screen to import an image in which you want to add your logo. Select an image from your camera roll or simply take a picture from your camera on your device. I'm just gonna select a random image. Once you select open an image, go ahead and add filters to the image if needed. Once you are done, tap on the tools option at the bottom and then scroll all the way down and tap on the text option. Tap on the text tool on the screen. Make sure you double tap on that and then type in the text that represents your logo. This could be your brand name or initials. After you are done, click on OK and you will be able to add your logo on the screen. Now you can customize the text by adding colors, adjusting the size, adjusting opacity and positioning it in the correct place. From the color palette button at the bottom, select the color you'd like to use for your logo. After you are done, go to the opacity option on the middle of the menu at the bottom and increase or decrease the intensity of the opacity so that you can blend in your logo with the image. Now, choose the last option at the bottom, which looks like an eraser tool, and then you can choose the text style. You can choose the options at the bottom, which looks like these shapes, just to stylize your logo. Once you make your preferred selection, resize your logo by pinching in or out on the screen and then position your logo in your desired area. Right after you do that, you will be able to add a logo on the image. If you're satisfied with the appearance and placement, tap on the check mark at the bottom right and save or export your edited image by tapping on the export button at the bottom right. You can save it to your device's camera roll by choosing the save options at the bottom or simply share it directly to social media platform or other apps. So that's how you can easily add a logo in Snapseed. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.